One afternoon, Duck returned to the yard after finishing his passenger train. He found Percy on a nearby siding. "Hello, Percy. What are you up to?"
Guarding. Guarding what exactly? These. No, not that. Still wrong. Oh, for the love of God.
It's these cars, damn it!
Though admittedly, that is funny.
Screw you and the railway series.
Okay, why are you guarding these cars? Because they're cursed.
Duh.
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 Curse? Yes. Whenever an engine takes these cars out of the yard, something bad happens to them. Something unlucky.
Psst, really?
Yes, really? Earlier, Stanley was pulling them when he broke down. Then I tried to take them for him. But then the coupling broke. So I'm guarding these trucks to make sure nothing bad happens to any other engines. Well, where's this train supposed to be going? They're supposed to be heading towards Vickerstown, but it's too dangerous for anyone to take them. 'Cause they're cursed. Psst, stuff and nonsense.
Why don't I take these trucks and I'll show you and prove to you that this unlucky stuff is a bunch of bull crap.
Don't do it. It's suicide, I tell you.
Bye, Percy. And Duck puffed away. Well, he's screwed.
And then he just took the cars. Wait, so you're saying that these cars are cursed with unluckiness? Yes, and now Duck's out there with them. He could be in trouble. Percy, please tell us this isn't another one of your silly superstitions again.
Silly? What are you talking about?
Remember when you thought that passenger was a werewolf?
He was very hairy for a passenger, okay?
And when you met Timothy for the first time, you thought that he was the Timothy ghost train. The evidence was right in my trace, guys. There is no such thing as an oil-burning engine. But Duck's out there with these cursed cars. We've got to save him. I'm sure he's fine, Percy. Well, if you're not going to do anything about it, then I will.
This should be interesting.
Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody can slow me down. Oh, whoa!
Huh? Ready to roll, Duck?
Percy, what are you doing?
I just thought I'd be your back engine for today.
Well, that's generous of you, but I don't really need a back engine.
Well, I've got nothing better to do, and it's always best to help a friend out in need, right?
Well, I don't really need, but okay, you can tag along. Wait a minute. This doesn't have anything to do with trucks of bad luck, right?
Of course not. I just want to help a fellow engine friend.
Okay, but try not to do anything funny. I promise.
Promise not to let these trucks hurt you.
I promise I'll protect you, Duck. Better than how Nia protects her secret.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, Nia. So, Nia, how are you enjoying your job on the island of Sodor? It's great. I've made so many new friends. Great. Everything alright, Albert? You seem upset. Honestly, sir, I can't believe you hired this bastard. Hey! No offense. So I'm taken. Why would you be annoyed with her, Edward? Well, I'm sorry, she's stolen my place on the steam team, along with Rebecca stealing Henry's spot too. Well, you can't blame that on her. I suppose not, but I just have one question. What's that? Why is she even here? I mean, you didn't even hire her in the movie, so why is she even working on this railway?
I mean, see the George, they're onto us. Let's get out of here.
Oh no, we're about to go through a tunnel. Let's do something. Oh, hey, Percy, oh, what are you doing? It's not me. It's these trucks. The brakes had accidentally slipped on.
Oh, for botheration.
Wow! Yeah! You all right, Percy? Yeah, I'm fine. Great. Now come along. We can't be late. Oh no. We're coming up to the bridge. It could collapse. I've got to do something. Ah! Wait for me!
Well, this ain't good. We better follow them. We may not go that far. Why?
I stopped.
Oh, wait, it smells good. Are you guys okay? Pretty stars. I'll go get help. Well, you took one hell of a crash, but the good news is, Rebecca took the goods train to Vickers for you. So, you're off the hook.
What? Why didn't you tell us?
Because you and Duck were knocked up so bad that you thought you were Disney princesses. Oh, the indignity. That's my line. We have to go help Rebecca. You're not going anywhere, Percy. Rebecca got the train to Vickerstown just fine. She's at Timothy Shed's right now. She is? Yes. But what about the bad luck that happened to me and Duck? It wasn't the trucks who caused all that bad luck, Percy. You did. What? Yeah, the only reason that the covenant broke between you and Duck is because that you were pulling back. And the reason you crashed was all because of you. So you were still on about that bad luck stuff. I knew it. Oh, right. I'm so sorry, Duck. I'm so sorry for what happened. I see now that my superstitions can cause trouble, and from now on, I'll try not to be over panicky. Yeah, thank you. Can we please just put this superstition stuff behind us? Sure. Oh no! What is it now? I saw a black cat cross the engine's path. That means bad luck. We've gotta... Percy! Sorry. Okay. Starting now.